Alright, so I'm just sitting here smoking and watching Dragon Ball. Not Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball. And I'm in the first season, and I know some of you might think it's lame. I'm watching Dragon Ball. I'm 21 years old. Fuck you, motherfuckers. Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z are the shit. And there's a lot of truth in there. But there's a lot of perversity to the show, too. But Master Roshi, as I'm lighting up, I watch Master Roshi light up on Dragon Ball. So here's Master Roshi lighting up on Dragon Ball. Season 1, Episode 17.
There's nothing more relaxing than the fresh air of nature. Hmm?
Nothing more relaxing than the fresh air of nature. Well, I've got to agree with Master Roshi. Peace.